Hello everyone. So in this video, we will show you how to analyze the data with some research questions. So let's start with first code by clicking in the following link. So this is an collab, and as usual, um, we are giving some steps to do the analyze Twitter data process. In step 1, we will download the file from the resources. So one of the there are three sources of data. One of the source of data is a sample of data, which I mined from the Twitter and provided a CSV file. In source 2, you can use your programming language to mine the Twitter data. If you click on the data, this Python code is used in the previous let's mine some Twitter data um, class. So in this stage, you can follow all the step and change the search word and the search rate, and you can mine the Twitter data. And in source 3, you can use a tool which you can search by some keyword and can download the CSV file. So in step 2, we'll import the necessary libraries. In this case, we need SciPy, Pandas, Colab, IO, and statistics. And the reasons behind of using all of those libraries are mentioned in the green language. In step 3, we'll upload the data file. So let's start with running the first code, importing the libraries, then uploaded the file. So for simplicity, I have downloaded this source 1 data in my computer. You can click and download the data, and then when you run this, you can choose the file. In my case, I have this file was downloaded. When it is saving, you can click on the left side and look at the file. So whatever the file name here it is, you can mention in the step 4 to read the file. So here read CSV is the function to read the file, and the parameter in the uploaded array, you have to provide the file name. In my case, I have this file name, so I'm providing exactly the file name which I uploaded. Now run this file and it will load all the data. So here we have text, language, reply, and like. So the first research question we have, what is the maximum like of tweets on collected dataset? So this dataset we have collected, and now we want to see which tweet has the most like and what is the value of that. And simply we can, whatever the data frame we have, find out then the column name, like count, this is the column name, and then max. So in this column, whichever is the max value will load and it will show up. So the maximum like is 423 in this data set. What is the average like of tweets on collected data set? So the second research question is, what is the average like of all the tweets? So the same way we can have data frame, then the column like count, and then mean. Mean is giving us the average. So it's like 5.8 is the average. Now question 3 and 4. What is the range of reply of tweet on collected data set? So we have changed a little bit. Before it was like of tweet and now reply of tweet. What is the interquartile range of reply of tweet? So you can change, if you look at the data, you can see reply count is the variable. So you can change to reply count. So to get the range, we always need maximum and minimum. So we find out the minimum first, and then maximum, and then we from subtract from maximum to minimum. So it will give us range. So the range is 145 and interquartile range is 0. So it's another function which I use to find out interquartile range.